this is how you understand what skills to build. This is the job that they are expecting you to do, right? Now you need to read this and understand. And when you will read like 100 of these jobs, you will understand what exactly are the skills that are required.
Hello everyone, I'm Piyush, your study abroad coach. And me and my team help hundreds of students every day navigate their journey of studying abroad. Our team has a top accreditation from global authorities, and I'm myself a British Council certified counselor. From all my learnings of traveling around the world and meeting hundreds of students, I'm doing one-on-one counseling sessions to help you guys understand what you can do to make your career better. So let's get started with our counseling session today.
All right. So you can see my screen, right? Right. So you said you want to go to Salford. Salford is Manchester. And you said supply chain. Let's see how many jobs you can find. When you're looking at supply chain, a lot of these jobs would be like, for example, this is a finance analyst, right? There's going to be more offered to like students in finance, right? Now, as you're seeing a lot of reds also, right? These are all low paying jobs which will not offer you any sponsorship as well. This kind of makes supply chain a very difficult domain to get a job in. And let's say, for example, supply chain coordinator. This looks like a good job. It's hybrid in Manchester. It's looking for experience in supply chain management, right? And now what will happen is you don't have any experience. Right? Now, since you don't have any experience, you will also get stuck in, you will not get selected for this job. Right? Now, what is important is that you understand what opportunity you are going for, and are there actually enough job options only there or not. And if I go change this from Manchester to Birmingham, let's say you said that I want to, which was the other university you wanted to go to? Kingston is London. London is the largest city. All right. Let's see how many jobs can London give us. London is also having only 500 jobs. Now, a lot of these jobs, like this is like business analyst, supply chain, or business analytics guys are also applying for this job, right? And hence, all of these, there's a lot of overlap that happens. This is data analyst, supply chain. Again, a lot of people applying for this job. So what you need to go in and do up as a program is something that offers you an opportunity to work on a larger set of jobs. And because you don't have any experience, you don't have a right to win in the supply chain game, because job options are so less that people with a work experience in this will win if you develop your skills. Now the question is, what skills? Do you know what skills? Yeah, right. So for example, Six Sigma. You might actually look at a program that is teaching you Six Sigma. Okay. But when you go into these jobs, you will start seeing all what is required in the responsibilities part. This is the job that they are expecting you to do, right? Now you need to read this and understand. And when you will read like 100 of these jobs, you will understand what exactly are the skills that are required. Okay. This is how you understand what skills to build. Power BI, pivot tables in Excel, all of this is basic analytics, right? This you will all business analytics guys will learn about. Logistics, Six Sigma is one of them, where you are trying to find, you're trying to say that how do you control quality, repeatability with low error. And this is where you need to understand what exactly is being expected of you. Maybe certain softwares, maybe certain understanding of concepts. This is what you need to build on. A lot of this will also tell you that, you are required for certain experience.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's session, and we had a great conversation here. And if you also want to have a one-on-one counseling session with me, feel free to reach out to me. There's a Calendly link in the description and book a slot with me. I wish you guys the best of luck for your careers, and I hope I am able to be a part of it and help you guys take better calls. So see you guys soon in the next episode.